Hello, hi, welcome to Skill Up Spark. Today we are going to create a responsive website. So, in this video, you will learn to create a complete responsive website using HTML and CSS. So, I will explain you step by step. So, this is the website design that we are going to create. First, we have a navigation bar here with a logo and some menu. So, these menus are in right side. And in this menu you can see this hover effect. So after that we have some text over here, one button. So you can see this very beautiful hover button. So we have another section, course we offer. This section is with three cards with the box shadow, and we have our global campus section with some images, campus images with beautiful hover effect. And this is our facilities section. We have some images, library, playground, and food court, etc. And we have footer section here with social media icons. We can see this in mobile view. So click on this menu. You can see, you can close that. You can go down here and check this responsive or not. It's fully responsive. Okay. So today we are going to create this fully responsive website. Okay, we'll start now. Hello, hi. Now create a folder as a college, and I had some images. So these images I'll share in the description. So next create a HTML file. As index.html. Next CSS file, style.css. Go to HTML, create basic structure. Next link the CSS. Just write down H1 just to check that. Go to live server. Yeah, it's working. Next, create a section. Write a class as header. Next, create a nav. anchor tag, href, image tag as logo. Okay. Next we'll create one div for list. Class as navlinks. Okay. Next create UL in the UL list. In list anchor tag, href, home, copy this list, duplicate it. Change the names. Okay. Next we'll go to CSS now. Write some basic code as margin 0, padding 0. Next, copy this header. For class, you have to add dot. Before adding the class, need to add dot. For header, we'll create min height 100 VH, width 100%, background image, linear gradient, RGBA, URL, banner image, banner.png. Okay. For this, we have to add background position and background size. Background position is center and background size is cover. Position is relative. We will go to the live server. Go to live server. So we got banner image with color, transparent color, right? And we got logo and lists as home, about and cursor. Now we'll add CSS for this nav. Okay. Go to CSS. Display flex. padding, justify content space between, align items center. Now you can see the space between the logo and the list, right? Now we add CSS for this logo. We have nav and here image, right? So we'll add that CSS here. In nav we had image, right? We add width, some 150 pixels. Now it's looking good, right? Yeah, now we add CSS for nav links. We created class as nav links. Copy this. In nav links we have UL and list. List style none. Display inline block. Padding as 8 pixel and 12 pixel. Position relative. Copy this class. For anchor tag. Color white. Text decoration none. Font size 13 pixel. Open the server. Now it's looking good, right? We'll change the font. We'll add some different font here. So for that, go to Font Awesome. So for font, go to Google Font. You can select as come here. No. We'll go with sans serif. We'll add this. So copy this code. We'll insert in style.css. And you copy this font family. Paste it here. Okay. Now we'll go to live server. Yeah, it's added here. Okay. Um, Next we'll add little animation to here. Copy this class. Add after. Content is null. Width will add 0 here. Height 2 pixels. Background color will give some hex code as F44. Display block. Margin auto. Transition 0.5. So for this, we'll add hover effect. Width should be 100%. Okay, now we'll check them. So you can see here, right, while hover, the red line is coming in, right? Next, we'll add one text box. So after this nav, we'll add one div, class name, text box. In that we'll add h1 as world biggest university. Add some paragraph. Okay, we'll decrease little. Okay, next add one button. For button, we'll add anchor tag, href, class name, hero button. Okay. In button we'll write visitors to know more. We'll open live server. Refresh it. So we got a H1 and paragraph and visitors to know more button. Okay. Let's CSS here now. Copy text box. Width 90%. Color white. Position absolute. Top 50%. Yeah. Left 50%. Transform. Translate. Minus 50%. Minus 50%. Text align center. Okay. See. Now it is in center. Next, write CSS for H1. Okay. Text center H1. For the font size, we'll add 60 pixel. Okay. Next, we'll add CSS for paragraph. P. For that, margin 10 pixel, 0 and 40 pixel. 10 pixel for top, 0 for left and right, 40 pixel for bottom. Bottom. Okay. Next, font size will be 14 pixel. Color white. Done. So H1 is a little bit. Next we'll add CSS for button. Okay. Copy the button class, hero button. Display inline block. Text decoration none. Color white. Border 1 pixel solid. Padding 12 pixel and 34 pixel. font size 13 pixels, background transparent, position relative, and cursor pointer. So we got like this, right? Next we'll add some hover for this button. We'll give break in this paragraph because it's showing in one line, right? We'll add one break tag here. We'll add here. Okay. Let's see now. Yeah, now it's good in looking, right? So we'll add hover for this button. Hero button and add hover. Border 1 pixel, solid, yeah. Background color F44336. Transition 1 second. It's not changing the border color, right? Acha, border I gave border color as white, but we'll give some different, same color as background. Yeah, okay. We'll see in mobile view. It's not looking good now because see here, the font size is big, and there's list also like not in the cross icon. So we'll add those. Okay. We'll add media query for that. Okay. @media max width 700 pixel. Text box H1, right? So in that class, the font size will decrease. Like 20 pixel. Okay. Sorry, I didn't add the dot here. I will see. So below 700 mobile view, so it's decreasing the font size here, right? Okay, now we'll add this list. Snavlink UL is class is there, right? So we'll copy that from here. Copy. Display block first. Position absolute. Background red. Height is 100% VH. Width 200 pixel. Top 0. Right 0. Text align left. Z index 2. Okay. So we got like this. Add menu icon and the cross button, means the close button. Okay. So we'll add some icons. So I took bootstrap icons. Okay. So for this link, you can check the last video what I did, and I'll add in description also how to add this bootstrap link. Okay. Next we'll add some icons for that. Okay. First we'll add icon, the close icon near nav links. So first go to bootstrap. So in bootstrap, search as close. We got some icons. We'll select this circle fill. Copy this and add it before URL. And we'll add one more icon, menu icon. Search for menu icon. So we'll take this, copy this. We'll add before this nav tag closing. So you can see here two icons, right? So we'll add CSS for that. So before media query, we'll add one CSS nav dot pi. For this display none. Okay. So in media query, the same class nav dot pi. This display block color is white, margin 10 pixel, font size 22 pixel, cursor pointer. Next, nav links. We'll give some padding 30 pixel. So for this toggle, we'll add a close and a menu icon, right? So We'll add some GSS to open this and close this. Okay. So go to VS. So in index.html, here we'll add one on click function. On click, we'll add hide menu and here also here show menu. And here we'll add one ID as nav. Okay. Now before body closing, we'll add script here. Okay. In script, where nav links document dot get element by ID nav links. Function show menu nav links dot style dot right equal to 0. Next, one more function, hide menu nav links style dot right equals to minus 200 pixel. Okay. Small CSS in nav links, that is transition. One second. Open this. Click on this menu. So we can see this. Close this. It's closing, right? Yeah. Here the toggle is also not showing. We can see this only in mobile view. Okay. So we'll create courses section. Okay. So now we'll create course section here. So after closing header, so we'll add one more section with class name as course. Add heading. Courses we offer. Paragraph. Go to live server. You can see here. Decrease some content. Okay. Next, we'll create 3 divs here. One more class as course call. Copy this and duplicate. So in this first call, we'll add one h3. With the name intermediate. We'll add some content here. Same. Okay, we'll duplicate this same. So we'll add CSS for this. Copy this course. Go to CSS. With the 80%. So we'll add CSS for courses section. Okay. So we got three cards here. So we got these three cards, right? So we'll add some more CSS and we'll change the content here. We'll add media query for small devices. Okay. So go to live server. So you can see while hovering, the box shadow is coming, right? So we'll add this other content. So this is the courses section. So next we are going to add campus section. Okay. Going to create campus section. So we'll add section class name as campus, one heading h1 as our global campus. Next one paragraph, will decrease little. Next we'll create three columns. Okay, to create columns, first we have to add one row. Next, campus call, duplicate it. Okay, we'll duplicate afterwards. We'll add one image. src. The image name is okay. Okay, we'll see this. So we got image and our global campus, some content and image, right? So we'll add CSS for this. Copy campus, go to CSS, campus CSS, width 80%, margin auto, text align center, padding top 50 pixels. Next we'll add CSS for campus call. Flex spaces, we'll take 32%. Border radius 10 pixel, margin bottom, position relative, overflow hidden. We'll add CSS for image. So width 100%. Okay, we'll go to see, we got like this. The image also like with the 100% width, content in the middle. Okay, for this we'll add some hover effects in on this image. Okay, so go to first here, display block, so for that hover, first we need to add one layer here. We'll create div for the class name layer. On that image, we'll add one heading like the city name. I'm taking H3 for that, London. Okay, first we'll duplicate it and we'll add a CSS for that layer. Okay, we'll change the image. Okay. The PNG name is New York PNG. We'll change the names here. This is New York and this is Washington. We got like this, right? We'll add some hover for that. Copy this layer. Background transparent, height 100%, width also 100%, position absolute, top 0, left 0. We add some transition 0.5s for this layer. Over. We add background as transparent there, right? So we'll add here RGBA. Two to 6. 7. We'll add so we got like this, right? So we are now I'm trying to do while hovering this content is there, right? Like London, the name, the city name will appear in the middle. Okay, I'll try to do that. With 100%, font weight 500, color white, font size 26 pixel, bottom 0, left 50%, transform translate x minus 50. Position absolute, we'll add opacity 0, transition 0.5 seconds, Now over bottom 49%, opacity is 1. Now we'll see. It's looking good, right? Yeah, this hover effect is good. So this section is done. So now we are going to create facility section now. This section you can close here. So create one section with class name, facilities, we'll add h1, above facilities, paragraph, we'll add CSS for that. Copy this class, with 80%, margin auto, text align center, padding top is 100 pixel. Yeah. Okay. Next, we'll create columns here. For column, we have to create row first. Facility squad. We'll add image, SRC, library image. We'll add heading, world class library. Copy this div, Okay, we created here also same 3 columns. We change these images, basketball png, and here we'll add cafeteria image. Okay, just a playground, tasty and healthy food. We'll add CSS for this. Copy this facility call. Flex space is 32%. Border radius 10 pixel. Margin bottom 5%. Text align left. Width 100%. Border radius 10 pixel. Yeah, it's looking good, right? Add for paragraph, padding 0. For H3, margin top 16 pixel. Margin bottom 15 pixel. Text align left. Okay. We'll reduce this font. I think this F3 is like little big, right? So we'll add font size 26 pixel. Yeah, now it's good, right? We'll check in mobile view how it looks. Okay, it's responsive. It's fully responsive now. So next we'll try to add of the footer section. For every website, header and footer is very important, right? So now we'll add footer section. Okay. Section class name as footer. We'll add h4. About us, paragraph. We'll add CSS for that. With 100%. Text align center. Padding 30 pixel and 0. For h4, margin top 20 pixel, margin bottom 25 pixel. Font weight 600. Font weight 600. You can see like this. Okay. Now we'll add some icons. Class name is icons. To create list. No, list is not needed. We'll directly add that icons. Duplicate this. Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn. So we got these icons, right? We'll add paragraph by Skill Sparks. Okay, we'll see that. We'll add CSS for this. Copy this icon. I'll change the color, margin, cursor pointer, padding 18 pixel and 0. Okay, I think the color is, I gave different color. Looking good, right? So we'll see in, we'll inspect the, yeah, mobile view also looking good. This is the website which is only using HTML and CSS. You saw, right? I wrote in only HTML and CSS. And this is fully responsive with some hover effect, with good shadow effects for the cards, and here also like creative hover. So for more videos, subscribe the channel, hit the like button. Thank you.